Hello everyone and welcome to my night routine. I have already posted my morning routine, so I will put that link in the description box below. As soon as I come home, I first put my bag away and then charge my phone. Then I change my clothes and wash my face. After that, it's dinner time. Today I'm having tawa pulao and this is my all-time favorite dish. I have posted a separate video of this recipe. You can check that in the description box as well. And now after having my dinner, I just cleared my desk and do a little bit of journaling. And after dinner, I do some sort of pamper routine. I would say I use face mask at least once in a week. Now once I'm done with my first half of pamper routine, I like to write all the ideas on my whiteboard. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, my face mask has completely dried. And after I'm done washing my face, this is like a really quick after of my skin looks like. So now after doing my journaling, I again moved to pamper routine. Now I'm removing and changing my nail polish. and then I just end my day having a glass of warm milk. So that's it for my night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.